What's up, guys? It's your boy Will from Jaw Squad, and today we have a great video. It's gonna be chaotic. It's Jeremy building a dirt jumper. But first, I'd like to introduce my friend here, Sasha. She's pretty lit.
So hi, my name is Sasha. I'm 10 years old, and I really like to do 360s, 180s, grabs, and all that stuff.
He's a baller.
All right, what's up, everyone? Jeremy's bike just arrived. How are you feeling about your new bike, Jeremy?
I'm about to rip it.
Here's the bike. It's a commensal.
Absolutely.
It's a commensal It's a commensal absolute. It's a dirt jumper, and we're gonna shred it. All right, Jeremy. First opening. Let's go.
Don't worry about the ultimate bike building tools.
But not Alex.
All right, Jeremy.
Alex, you're doing a horrible job filming. Film it all!
I got a foot.
On Jaw Squad, we abuse our filmers.
You're not promoting. Jeremy, how much was the bike?
Jeremy does promote the Jaw Squad.
This is gonna be the most chaotic video in the world. Super fire bars.
Okay.
1.5 million.
1.5K.
How much is this?
What'd you do? Get Prime shipping?
Oh!
Actually, as a matter of fact, we have people screaming.
The extra
Have some?
No, it's a
Have some, bro.
Wait.
Oh, I need to take this
caught it
out
live.
first.
How's it going, Mike?
3.
Are you okay? Do you need air?
No. Do not.
Don't kill Michael. Okay.
I don't.
Alex, you get one more chance.
Not filming, bro.
This is us trying to figure out a filmer.
Alex,
What?
Alex, film!
All right, Jeremy. Now that we got finally quiet
try to find scissors,
space.
but Alex is the worst tool man.
What do you? I just gave you
I got
these.
this, dude. You want this?
Yeah. Okay. I don't have scissors. Guys, I don't have scissors. I know.
Gang gang.
And then I'll tighten them, okay?
Never built a bike before. I think he thinks he's better than
You're
me.
supposed to put them in the middle.
But you know, I'm the best at everything, so that's not possible.
Diamond showing, or like, you know, you're like.
Did he fall again? What the heck? Brother, because you know, that's cool. That voice crack was kind of harsh.
Tightening you a little bit.
I'm getting back in. One more time. Wait, Cameron, you get in. You'd fit perfectly in there. No, they don't fit. Oh, ow! My hand. Wait.
There you go.
Hey, how dare you? That's my home.
Alex, you can.
Okay, I just did it.
No, Alex's breath smells really good.
You're a little ignorant.
But or not carbon based.
Knucklehead!
So we just want to tighten them. What's the point?
Hey, you're losing content. Good shot.
I know.
I made a peach.
Is some 3D. Uh oh.
3D, of course it's 3D. Bars are on. That's a long seat, dude.
Wait, Will, what's your seat at?
Here. That's my seat.
Hold on. The seat is almost on, ladies and gentlemen. What the heck? It's going on my crack.
If you want to look as sexy as that did, check out our merch shop. It's in the link of our Instagram bio and will be in the description of this video. We have some super fine t-shirts and then stickers like this one on my bike that you are not zooming into. Cameraman, snap. Okay, there we go. Merch promo done. Back to the video.
I think we might need to take it around too. Dude, I'm gonna stack my pants like around.
So, we are now putting on the pedals. They're a little bit greasy.
Hello? Yeah, you guys should, I think this is somebody trying to buy our merch.
Is it?
Yeah, you guys want to hear in? Oh, he's a little shy. But
Oh, okay.
Garret is different.
I can come you on the light.
First ride, let's see how it is. Follow cam, kind of lit. Extreme stabilization. We got the protection.
Oh, we should have put on the helmet.
Put on protection.
This helmet is a bit big, but it tightens up. Looks like a mushroom on my head.
Follow camera, wait. My pants are falling down.
First jump.
Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching our YouTube video. We really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe and drop a comment down below. Everyone who helped out in this video, their channel is going to be linked in the description. Super hyped for Jeremy's new dirt jumper, and check out our merchandise shop. Alright? Thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.
If you don't subscribe to PNW Riding, no lemon drop for you.
That's horrible.
If you come around